What you got?
I got it.
Show me what you got.
I got this Batman car.
You like it?
Yeah. I'm super strong. This Batman.
It's a Batmobile.
Take a picture of Batman. And the Batman in the car. I know, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
You so excited?
Yeah. So excited to open it. Okay. What I do this Batman to be on?
Come on.
Whoa! What? Oh. What?
That's Batman's seat.
Okay. Batman's going. Now he's fit. Now he's fit.
I gotta fit his arm.
Now he's fit his.
Oh, look, he go all the way in there.
What? Batman's in there? Okay, let's go. This Batman! I open it! Not to open it.
You like your Batmobile?
Yeah. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Mama, open it like this.
Yeah.
The small one left. He get out! Oh my goodness.
Okay, go save the city.
Batman gotta save the city. And guys, bye.